SCIP is Substances of Concern in Articles and in Products. And basically what it is it's a database that was created by the European Chemicals Agency and effective in January of 2021. Anybody that's placing a product on the EU market, which contains a reportable SVHC under REACH, right? So any REACH reportable SVHCs, which we just saw got extended to 233 entries. They must submit a notification to the database, and they're supposed to submit that notification before they place the product on the market. So, hey, I want to place this product on the market. It contains an SVHC. I need to make a submission to this database first. And the submission to that database is limited to entities within the EU. And if you're outside of the European Union, you can't make a submission to the database. The system won't accept it, right? So you had to be one of the 27 EU countries. Well, as of November 7th, that was extended to now include all the European Economic Area countries, which basically means that it not only applies to the 27 EU countries, but also now to Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway. So if you're placing product on these markets, Norway, Iceland, Liechtenstein, then you're supposed to now be complying with the obligation to make submissions to the SCIP portal. Anybody who's placing product on any of the European markets from within those countries should already be making those submissions because product placed on the EU market is already required. So basically this adds the requirement to these countries. So probably limited impact to most companies because anybody who's placing product on these markets are probably already also placing them on the other EU country markets. But it's something to be aware of because if you're one of the companies operating in Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway, and you're placing it on your own local market, you're still required to go ahead and make these submissions.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.